Hi everyone, I'm Amy. Today I'm making funnel cakes. This is a fun and delicious carnival treat that you can easily make at home. So let's get started. In a large liquid measuring cup, add 1/3 cup of milk, 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 1/4 cup of sugar, 1 cup of flour, 1 1/2 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Whisk this together until it's smooth. If it's too thick to pour easily, you can add a little more milk. Now heat your oil to 350 degrees. Usually, funnel cakes are made using a funnel to pour the batter into the hot oil. But you can also use a liquid measuring cup or a bowl with a spout. Using either a funnel or your liquid measuring cup, drizzle the batter into the hot oil, moving in a circular motion and overlapping until you have the shape you like. Fry for about 1 minute or until it's light golden brown. Then carefully flip the funnel cake over and fry the other side until it's light golden brown. Carefully remove the funnel cake and place it on paper towels to drain. Dust the top with powdered sugar or your favorite toppings. Repeat until you've used all of your batter. And here it is, funnel cake. And this is best eaten right after it's made. And this recipe makes about 3 or 4, depending on how big you make them. For this recipe and many more, check out my website at amylynskitchen.com. You can also find me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. Funnel cakes are made using a batter. Using a funnel. Carefully remove the funnel cake. And here it is, funnel cake. And here it is, funnel. Why does that sound funny? It just sounds funny. And here it is, funnel cake. And here it is, funnel cake. I said it and then I forgot what